Millionaire wakes up in the middle of the night, pipes burst, his $1 million house is flooded, runs to grab his phone, calls emergency plumber. Guy shows up at 2 o'clock in the morning, goes into the bathroom, looks under the sink, sees this pipe, and there's a big bolt or washer not tied up, and he goes in there and hits it a couple of times and frees it up and tightens it up, and boom, the flood stops. Millionaire's very thankful. He says, great, you know, you've saved my house, appreciate it, how much do I owe you? The plumber goes, $500. He goes, $500? You were only in here for 2 minutes. I demand an itemized bill. Guy goes, okay, give me a pen and paper. Guy gives him a pen and paper. He goes, okay, time spent on the job, 2 minutes, $5. Knowing where to hit the pipe, 20 years experience, $495. And you know, it's a funny story, but it's very often true that people, especially people selling professional services, don't really appreciate the 20 years of experience they have that had to pay for, the college, the books, the courses. Don't sell yourself short. Another example of this would be a friend of mine is a dentist, and somebody at the club went to him to have a tooth extracted, and you know, he goes in and pulls the tooth out, and you know, 2-3 minute job, you know, and he charges the guy $1,000, and the guy's like, that's crazy. You know, you're charging me $1,000 for 2 or 3 minutes work. And the dentist says, well, no problem. Next time, if you like, I'll take an hour pulling it out. So, moral of the story is, don't undersell your price. Don't undersell yourself. Remember that experience has a value, and make sure you put it into your pricing, and make sure you tell your customers what that experience means to them. Don't expect them to figure it out. Tell them what experience means to them, and they will pay it.